Can I share in this meeting as
Yeah,
well
of
something?
course. Yeah.
It's not a project which could have been here without, there is a core team attached to it. We are here 1 year later, where MuleSoft AI Chain, I think, is a very compelling story for many customers in this space, not only the integration architects, but also the AI teams. And it would have never been possible with just 1, 2, 3 person. So, Jeroen Reisewoord, he is also a visionary guy. We were talking a lot before the Mac project with him, how a potential AI program for MuleSoft could look like. And this is Michael Bosniak, who really went all in with me on this. And Vibor was also in the beginning quite heavily involved, and he supported us with it. But then, after that kickoff, which we did around 1st of July last year, this was the team who joined, right? So Victoria joined, Chuck joined, we had Yogesh, Alec. These are people within MuleSoft, of course, spread around the world, and they have brought the whole project on a different level. Then people like Burak came, and Jonathan, Laura, who built really compelling demos, rolled them out, and it gave us additional tools, additional manpower to drive things forward. And then, this is like our guru in terms of Java SDK and how we should be writing the code, Tommaso Bollis. He joined and he changed the game. He brought the quality of the connectors on a different level. Yeah, but let me come back to a topic which is important. It's not just me, right? So there's
Yeah.
a big team behind it, the
Mhm.
core team, and I want to give that recognition to everyone. So there are developers who are touching the code on connectors. It's not just me. I'm just one single piece in the whole ecosystem. We have Alec Wong from the Singapore team. We have Chiu Lee, who is in US. Michael Bosniak, he is the co-initiator. Ryan, you are known. Tommaso, our guru on the connector pieces. Shumon, he is also a big guru on Java, Maven, and the connector implementation. Nico has advanced experience. Gabriel and Yogesh, I don't have any coding experience, so I'm just testing and trying to implement the features which these guys make really stable
Yeah.
and yeah, enterprise ready. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Very good.
then we have the product team, and this is a shout out. This we need to. I think
Mhm.
these guys are working a tremendous job. Like Ayush and Vishwas, they have already certified 3 connectors. These are the engineering team who are refactoring the code to
Every
be really enterprise ready.
every day, Amir, I use pull request notifications every day.
Exactly. He is like crazy. He's going big, and really everything he has been doing for the project, of course, from the official support side, has been very helpful. Bham and Lakshmi are now involved in supporting the Vectors connector together with Lata. And Anibal is our backbone in terms of checking. He has a lot of experience from the connector development. He knows how to build the connector, what should be the composability of the operations, how the security should be met. So he's making sure that the engineers are really aligned to Mule best practices. Garvesh is the leader of the engineers, and Ryan and Niveta, these guys are crazy. These are PMs who are really committed to the project, and MuleSoft is fully on it to make that project be available and accessible to enterprises, going beyond the open source capabilities. We have demo teams, demo assets on GitHub. You have people who are using the Ale demos, the Mac demos, different types of demos. So Jeroen, Laura, they led a lot of content there, contributed with many templates like Burak and Jonathan as well. These were the early drivers of the some of the exciting demos with rag with camera, or just scanning something in a live session. That was really cool. And also the other development, right? Chuck, I want to highlight, he is our mastermind behind everything you can do with Mule. So he built some amazing demos on the advanced agent, on the agent accelerator for Mule. It was also directly at the beginning of the release of the connector. So these people make the difference. It's not me only, right? So we
Yeah.
have also advisors. Our chief is Victoria. This is something we need to mention. She fights internally and externally. She makes sure that the team can focus really on the things they need to focus on. We have Prashant, which I want to highlight here.
Yeah.
He is also one of the mastermind behind the vision, what Mac should be supporting. Ajay, many people know him. He is our agent force PM leader for the adoption piece, but he has been influential for the Mac project from the very beginning. Kranti is Amazon. With him, we developed the Bedrock connector together with him. Without his support, we would be nowhere. And Sally is our support internally to make sure that this team gets what they need to work on the innovation pieces and get the management support from the leaders by Jennifer McLaughlin, who is our EVP on pre-sales, Wolfgang Kels and Shad Imam for AMER and EMEA responsible. They are supporting us. So there is a big commitment in the whole AI space from MuleSoft to drive the success of Agent Force and MuleSoft hand in hand in a better together story. And this is the complete Mac team internally, plus, of course, Ryan.